Hey guys, I've had a couple requests to show you how to shape and file for a coffin / ballerina nail. So I wanted to demonstrate that so you would have a better idea at that. I'm going to try to do it on my nails. Right now I have on Bahama Sands and this is just one of my chrome pearl pigments that are going to be coming soon. Mine are kind of already shaped. I'll get another nail as well, but the easiest way to make them look the ballerina shape is you take your file and instead of just getting the nail only, if you will take your file and kind of swipe the side of your finger but go in just a little bit, and it takes that top corner off of that nail. You can go in as far as you want the square tip to be, but if you take your file and brush it along, so you can see where it's kind of gone on my nail, it does not hurt. You just face it that way, and then you go to this side and do the same thing, and it just takes the tip from right here and right here off and kind of shapes it. Mine are kind of worn down just from working and doing normal things. The shape kind of goes away. But let me get a fake nail and show you on that. I will grab a white one. Okay. So here's your fake nail. Say, this is on my finger. You take the side, you face inward, and you're going to be brushing up against your nail right here. I can't put it on a fingernail. So you see how I'm just kind of taking that tip off, that point off of the side. So you do one side, and then you'll go to the other side, brush up against, I guess you can kind of see me hit my thumb. Brush up against that side. And I don't know if you can kind of see that it has turned that in. When this is on your nail, if you then file straight up, like that, you can kind of get that curvature off. There's that, and of course, you know, you can, let me go further in so you can see a real, and remember, you're just brushing up against your finger. Go to the other side so you know they're even. So once you have filed that in, you can kind of see that there's just a little bit of an edge. And when that's on your finger, you can just, it's hard to show you guys, take it and file, you kind of file up underneath, like that. Can you guys see that? If you file kind of up underneath the nail while it's on, that takes away that, I don't know if you can see me. That edge, and this is, and then it's kind of more shaped like that. I hope this helps. If you need me to, I can do another video. This is just throwing it together for you ladies who have asked. The next time I put a set on my nails or on somebody else, I will film this and give you a better example while it's on somebody's nail. The main thing is you just need to remember that you brush up against the side of your finger and hit that top corner. Come over here and hit that top corner. Same thing for your stilettos. So say this is, let me stand up. Say this is on just want you guys to see a good effect. I'm just rubbing up against my thumb. And you kind of go underneath like that. And then come back up. If you will take your file and file right here, right in here, if you just take your file and file on top and kind of get that bulk off right there, it kind of makes the nail look a little more natural. And then once you do that, you can do that to both sides and kind of taper it in. I prefer my nails to be, what do you call it? Narrow. I like them narrow versus like a fat, wide tip. It just looks more natural. So you can kind of see where I just filed just a little bit of that side. Of the side, you just kind of file it, and then at the end when you are done shaping the nail, that's when you'll take your buffer and you buff down, straight, and down, kind of giving the nail a shape, and then you will have a pretty ballerina coffin nail. So if there's something else you want to see, or you want me to do a more in-depth on a set, I will do that for you. So I hope this helps. Have a good day, and we will see you soon. Thank you.